I just tipped the car
just
over
saw
that by turning too fast.
I just saw that, but I didn't get it. I just started recording and I missed that. Oh my god!
Hey, let me see if I can flip it over again. That was so good.
Get me a bus. Get me a bus. You want bush? Me like bushies. Me like bushy buses. Oh, is that a bus there? No, it's not here.
It's a bush. It's a bush, mate. In a bit, Tom.
Good morning. Ben! I wanted
That
that!
was perfect. You just got out and then you die.
God damn it!
Why don't you just go get a bus instead of getting a garbage truck and
Because
then a
these are
bus?
fast to drive around. And I can't find a bus.
Dead agile.
Just batter the shit out of that car. Right, I'm just gonna go this way, I don't care. Right, okay, I'm stuck.
Is that the bus stops? Is that the bus depot is here?
I have to run.
And they don't have any buses here. Are you being serious?
What? Where are the buses?
This is a bus. No, just come and have a look. This is the bus station, and there is no buses. How amazing!
It's not amazing, it's rubbish. Where is it? Here.
Turn left. Oh god. Turn. No, not yet. Here.
Where are the buses?
Where are the buses?
I want me a bus.
What if we're in a no bus lobby?
It's my lobby, so there's gonna be buses.
First one to find a bus wins.
Me want a bus, me want a bus, me want a bus, me want a bus. What was it? Shitty bloody cops. Me want bus, me find bus. And
God,
down here I go.
man.
Oh shit!
Where you going?
Moving in some way.
Wait, what is down there? Wait, let me come down with my truck. Hold on.
Just waiting for it to come.
Right.
You're gonna get down here and get shot.
Right. Right, so I've gotten through the first posts. Uh oh, I can't fit.
You can't fit.
Zach? I can't fit.
What do you mean you can't fit? What are you bringing?
I
You're bringing
can't
down a
fit.
car. Just come down.
I can't
Yeah,
fit.
but what do you mean you can't fit?
I need a ramp or something.
Are you on about through the gate things?
Yes.
That's why you don't bring a bloody car.
Well, you got mobile.
Yeah, but motorbike fits. Oh, I can't see him. Just get... Look at us in our uniforms. Oh, no, I'm down here. See?
Where you going? Where you going?
Oh.
Oh my god, I've never been here. Oh god.
Look, Mum,
We look the same, that is so
the
weird.
motorbike's here.
I mean, our clothes anyway. Can I get on the back? You on the back?
Yeah.
You're just gonna put your helmet on so you threw it on the floor. Do a 360 in the loop next time you're going on. Alright, just go boom. Yeah, get a big run up.
Oh, what?
Oh, what? Let me try, I wanna try. You wanna get on the back?
Yeah.
Okay, I need to go up and
Hello.
down. Like
Right, I will know again. One more.
you need to just like full power.
What? We need a panto.
Have one more go.
Where some train comes past, bro. Oh no! 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 No!
I'm not.
Oh my god,
I'm
it
not
stopped
waiting.
for me.
Did it? Oh, what a safe train.
Damn.
It's like it's moving again.
I'm just gonna run.
Right, I'm gonna get on the train by riding up the side of the wall, okay?
Wait, hold on, I'm gonna just stand here, try and blow.
Ready? Are you ready? You ready? You ready? What just happened? What happened?
Oh.
How did I die?
I had a what's it set? A a C4. I had a C4 set and I didn't know he was gonna come by the corner that time. Whoops.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't fucking care.